Hello guys, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So today we will make a beautiful hairstyle. So till now you must have followed these steps till here and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will divide the hairs in two parts and then take few parts of the hairs, roll it around this hair accessory. You can get this hair accessory easily in your cosmetic stores. After that, we will fix the hairs by making the plaits out of it. Design the hair as shown in the video and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Further, we will make a beautiful bun. So tie the hairs as shown in the video, then roll the hairs and put a bun pin and fix the hairs as we have done in this video. Roll it and your bun is ready. Next, divide your hairs in two parts. Take out some hairs from the side, make the plaits out of it. Take few hairs and make the plaits very carefully. After that, we will merge the plaits with the second part of the hair. Tie it, make a ponytail and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.